Lesson 1. Prepare salad and dressing. Perform mise en place. Mise en place is a French term which means setting everything in place and organizing all the materials and ingredients before preparing foods. Tools, equipment, utensils needed in preparing salads. Knives, good quality knives with sharp, sturdy stainless steel blades and with handles that securely attached and that feel perfectly comfortable in your hand. Cutting boards. Choices of cutting boards are the wooden or blocks and acrylic cutting boards. When preparing a recipe that contains both meat, or poultry or seafood, and vegetables requiring cutting, use one board exclusively the vegetables and the other exclusively for the raw meat to avoid cross-contamination. Peelers is a kitchen tool consisting of a slotted metal blade attached to a handle that is used to remove the outer skin or peel of certain vegetables, frequently potatoes and carrots, and fruits such as apples and pears. Citrus zesters. A kitchen zester is approximately 4 inches long, with a handle and a curved metal end, the top of which is perforated with a row of round holes with sharpened rims. Grater or shredder. A grater, also known as a shredder, is a kitchen utensil used to grate foods into fine pieces. It was invented by François Bouillier in 1540s. Grill pan, used for salad toppings to be broiled or grilled. Salad spinners, used to hold just washed salad leaf in a slotted basket that is made to spin by hand and thus fling all the water off the leaves into the outer contain. Mixing bowls, used to mix dressings, marinate ingredients, hold separate elements of a salad before assembling and used to toss and mix all the ingredients together. Used bowls made of sturdy, heavy glasswares or ceramic so as not to react with acidic ingredients. Salad servers, salad sets, with big salad bowls, serving bowls and servers. Select materials having enough surfaces to really grasp the ingredients of salad no matter how slippery and thus making tossing easier. Appetizer salads. It stimulates appetite which has fresh, crisp ingredients, tangy flavorful dressing, and attractive, appetizing appearance. It looks appealing because of flavorful foods like cheese, ham, salami, shrimp and crab meat. Crisp raw or lightly cooked vegetables can also be added. Accompaniment salad. Accompaniment salads must balance and harmonize with the rest of the meal, like any other side dish. Don't serve potato salad at the same meal at which you are serving French fries or another starch. Sweet fruit salads are rarely appropriate as accompaniment except with such items as ham or pork. Side dish salads should be light and flavorful, not too much. Vegetable salads are often good choices. Heavier salads such as macaroni or high-protein salads containing seafood, cheese are less appropriate unless the main course is light. Main course salads should be large enough to serve as a full meal and should contain a substantial portion of protein. Meat, poultry and seafood salads as well as egg salad and cheese are popular choices. Main course salads should offer enough variety of flavors and textures in addition to the protein and salad platter or fruits. Dessert salads. Dessert salad are usually sweet and may contain items such as fruits, sweetened gelatin, nuts and cream. Green salads must be fresh, clean, crisp and cold and well drained. Moisture and air are necessary to keep greens crisp. Vegetable, grain legumes and pasta salads. Vegetable salads are salads whose main ingredients are vegetables other than lettuce or other leafy greens. Starchy items such as grains, pastas and dried legumes can also form the body of a salad. Raw or cooked vegetables are usually added to the starch items to enhance the color, flavor and nutritional balance of the salad. Protein items such as poultry, meat, seafood and cheese may be added to vegetables and starch salad. Bound salad or mixture of foods that are held together or bound with a dressing, usually a thick dressing like mayonnaise. The term bound is most often used for traditional mixtures of cooked protein, starch and vegetables items with mayonnaise like chicken salad, tuna salad, egg salad and potato. Fruit salad contain fruits as their main ingredients, like appetizer salads or dessert salads. Composed salads, made by arranging 2 or more elements attractively on a plate. They are called composed because the components are arranged on the plate rather than being mixed together. They are elaborate and can be substantial in size, usually served as main courses or fruit courses rather than accompaniments or side dishes. Gelatin salads. Most gelatin products are made with sweetened prepared mixes with artificial color and flavor, but some professional cook use to prepare salads using unflavored gelatin relying on fruit juices and other ingredients for flavor. Please leave a like if this video was helpful to you. Thank you for watching.